Hi, I'm Mujib Rahman. I'm doing my graduation in IIT Gandhinagar. I'm here in ISTE for a 2-month internship, which is part of my course in IIT. Here I'm working under Professor Rosa Maria Perez. I'm working on diaspora, migration and human rights with special reference to the Bangladeshi community in Lisbon. So in ISTE, I'm quite happy with the experience here because I've got a lot of opportunity to get in touch with highly profiled professors from different international universities when they come here for seminars, talks, lectures and all. Especially in the last month, I've got an opportunity to attend one of the greatest conference in Europe, which was conference on South Asian studies, which held in Lisbon under South Asian Studies Associations for European Union. So that was quite good experience because I've got an opportunity to get to know the different young scholars and greatest professors, and it was a great opening for me to the world of research, especially in my own interested areas. So in Lisbon, I love this city because the weather, because the people, the culture, the food style and the celebrations and everything here is quite great experience for us, especially someone like me who are here in Europe first time. It was a great opportunity to feel and experience the academic culture here in Europe, especially the Western and the European education system. In Lisbon, the one thing which was a great experience for me was the something related with my research was the experience of the immigrants here was like quite interesting. Since I'm doing work on migration, I have a lot of opportunity to to chat with people from different countries, people from Africa, different Asian countries, Chinese people, and I mean people from all around the world who are here as immigrants. So the experience they have in Lisbon as an immigrant, as an outsider, is quite overwhelming comparing to the other European countries and the other countries where they have gone before. So so taking their experience and my 2 months short experience here, I could say that Lisbon is one of the greatest locations for the immigrants if they want to experience the European life here, and the way immigrants being treated in Lisbon also quite interesting. So if you are interested in researches in migration or human rights or something related with that, you are always welcome to Lisbon and ISTE and the universities here.